Hi, welcome to our channel. 2024 Ford Edge Review and Prices. Before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Let's start. Pros. Plush, well-padded seats. Plenty of space for passengers and luggage. Fuel-efficient and performance-oriented engines. Quiet cabin at highway speeds. Cons. Interior design and control layout are dated. Visibility hampered by thick roof pillars and blind spots. Transmission responses are a little slow. Rides uncomfortably over small bumps and dips. What's new? No significant changes for 2024. Most certainly the final year of production for the Edge. Part of the second Edge generation introduced for 2015. The prices. MSRP range, $38,365 to $47,205. Overview. The Edge offers ample space, intuitive controls, and a comfortable and peaceful cockpit relative to other two-row SUVs. It doesn't distinguish itself at being excellent in any one area but rather demonstrates broad competence across the board. But, at best, it's an unblemished example of middle-of-the-road adequacy. And it's also at the end of its life cycle. For 2024, Ford is giving it the least significant send-off possible. It's doing nothing to change it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Bye.